Start recording. Oh dear me, what did I do? Haha. Thank you so much, Linux Mench. I erased all my Devuan, my SolidX, GhostBSD, and Sparky. I threw it all away because I felt so inspired. I got now the best operating system ever. You know, Fedora is the new Ubuntu. Forget about Debian, Arch. Forget about all of it. You know, Fedora that's the new operating system. Gets hotter from version to version, literally. And the best desktop ever. Because look, let's try something here. There we go. So if you open the file manager, you will never be bothered to figure out if you have enough space on your hard drive or not. Because who cares? Why would you want to know how much space you still have left? You know? You just download and download and download. And when it breaks into pieces, then you know you don't have space anymore. So nobody in the real world needs to have the information on their file manager. Why would that be, right? See, and I don't think you can add it here anyway. Double click. No. No, is there? Count numbers of files and folders. Okay, what does that help me? All folders. Is counting it? Oh, okay. Alright. So, really great. I'm very impressed. This is a desktop I always wanted. Let's see. I have a logout button, you see? Liars! We have a logout button. They fixed it. Because I just downloaded the thing here. It's absolutely great, guys. I'm enjoying this. I mean, what they really have nice is their calendar. That is a nice calendar, I tell you that. So far, so good. That is the only thing I really like. You don't have Stego Suite here or anything like that, or Stego Snow or Stack Snow. And it's just not here. No encryption, no hiding things. Why would you, right? So what else do we have? Text editor. File manager. Let's try the software center. So I open it up already, otherwise it takes forever. And alright, so I don't know, Helium. Yeah, I don't even know what is running here. I've absolutely no clue. But you know, I know it all. So we just use the button here. Then we check this. System monitor the system. What do we have? File system. Okay, we have a file system. Process, Wayland. Oh yes, Wayland. Oh, I'm so glad I'm on Wayland. I mean, honestly, I was so shocked when I had X Libre because it just worked. X Libre or Libre X. It just worked, and this was so unexpected. And I'm so glad I have Wayland here. So, man, this is so good. And I can't wait. I definitely have System D here. So now I have a real functioning good system. And resources. I have resources too. What do we have here? CPU is running. That's fine. Memory. Only 2.6 gigabyte. Oh, that's nothing, isn't it? I mean, at least you have to consider I have this massive system info open here. That takes 2.6 gigabyte. Oh, Linux Mench, I'm so glad you showed me that, because now I throw everything out. No more Devuan, no more GhostBSD. Forget about Linux Lite and MX and SolidX and what else do I like? Oh, and Magia, you know. Also, it just works. Who wants that? You know? So here I've got display settings. Oh, change background. You see, hold on. Change background. What do we have? Alright. That's the style. Wonderful. Honestly? Well, that takes half an hour to get that out. No, thank you. So, I mean, great, wonderful. That's always what I wanted. Fantastic. Wow. Yeah. Screw all the other systems, because who needs them when you have Fedora and you have GNOME? Yeah, it's a clean desktop. I'm not sorry. I wish I could say I'm sorry. Click. See, we can even click around here. We can change. Doink, doink. What else do we have here? Let's see. Utilities, document scanner. That's of course good. That is the simple scan. LibreOffice Impress. Calc. Characters. I have my own. Fedora Media Writer. That definitely is not too bad. What else do we have? A terminal. We have clocks, maps. Oh, tour video players. Let's try again. System. What else do we have here? Logs. Parental control. Disks. That should be the normal thing. Yeah, it's a normal GNOME thingy. What else do we have? Utilities. Audio players are utility. Okay, fonts, image viewer, connections, document viewer. That's the utility? Alright. I thought there's something like partition manager and... Well, what do I know, right? What do I know? This is it. So there is not much in it. Glad we have Firefox. Yeah, I don't know, honestly. This is it, so you really have to... Oh, they say I can... I'll just type here. No. Oh, in overview, in this, right? You can write Firefox. Oh, yeah, see? Great, why would you have a panel here and click on it? While you still can push this button and then start typing. Right? Yeah, great. Oi, oi, oi. For Luciferian, yeah, thank you. Nope. So, yeah, it's just a great desktop, clean looking, and the workflow is just great. And there's nothing better than this ever. As I said, and the best thing is, I was afraid that I would worry if I have enough space on my hard drive, because I download ISO files and do stuff like that and create virtual boxes that take also space. And I was always worried. I'm checking, okay, how much space do I have left? Here, you don't have to worry about it anymore. You just don't care. When it's full, it's full. So if you want to do something, it breaks off and then your whole system freezes, then you know it's full. It does not work. Yeah. Right? So network. Unknown. Okay. Okay, you don't need that. Why would you need that? Why in the world would you have to have networks, right? Who has already a network attached storage that's at home where you need to take access from? Off, whatever. Wired, dark side. I feel like I want a dark side. Ooh. Well, the blue is better than that other color. Yeah. You can see it's overwhelming. The system is absolutely great. Best thing is 2.6 gigabyte. I don't want to know what it takes now. If I open something up. Let's have a look then, just in case. System monitor. So I've got software set up. And now we have only 2.5 gigabyte. And using a little bit swap. That's necessary, I guess. Cache 3.4. Okay. Caching is always good, so, but yeah, we have no Stego suite. Nope, nothing there. Stick snow. I forgot how the other one is called. No, I've got nothing. Then snow maybe. No. 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 Dude, OBS this should have, right? Yeah, they have OBS. What else do we need? Next cloud. Desktop, yeah, they have that. That's okay. What else do we have? Password client, well. Crew own nodes. That is pretty good if you have Nextcloud. Or if you have Joplin and you want to get out of Joplin. Because that can import. Crew node nodes can import from Joplin, and it makes like little MD files for Nextcloud. That's perfect. And you can synchronize that, of course, into the nodes folder. So that's a good thing to know. So there's some good stuff going on here. I feel the vibes. Oh, what else do we have? What do I install? So let's see, VirtualBox. Word Manager. I can't have VirtualBox now. No, must be Word Manager. My own fault here, thinking of things. What else do we have? Thunderbird, I guess? Or is that not allowed? Do they have to have? Oh no, we can have Thunderbird. That's good. Betterbird? Oh, Betterbird. That's of course good. Well, I mean Fedora, to be honest now. So I had Fedora used with Nobara, and that was great. Nobara 39, 42 was good, but then I heard that 43 is already getting more heavy, and 44 is even more heavy. I think there goes a Ubuntu way, you know. I don't know, minimum. Yeah, I mean, yeah, of course, if they rewrite everything into Rust and full speed Titanic, you go, keep going. See here, I've got no idea. So what would I install usually? So KeePass. Yeah, they have KeePass. XC. Which version? Secure and full featured. Is it full featured? Because I castrated it in Debian. That's why I have more, I think, a full version now. So that's pretty okay. So KeePass is there. Nextcloud was there. Thunderbird. Oh, I see. Now I have to think. What else? What else? The knowledge drive I would need. Do they have FreeCAD? Yes, they have FreeCAD, but what version? Yeah. Oi. Problems with the Flatpak dependency. So that's Flatpak? Oh, FlatHub. Oh yeah, look at this. Flatpak. Alright. And OBS, is it also Flatpaks? I didn't even check this because I did not build Flatpaks. Fedora Flatpaks. So do they have only Flatpaks now? Then they have Synology. Assistant. No. Oh, look at this. They have it. FlatHub. Yeah, because it comes from FlatHub. Alright, that's an idea, isn't it? So they don't have any more packages, really. Or what's a typical package? Let's say Thunderbird then. I mean, I didn't read anything, right? Thunderbird. Fedora Linux. Okay. Flatpak. Then we go for the other version. Flatpak. Okay, it looks like that Fedora has now everything just Flatpaks. That explains why you can't have Stego Suite anymore. I mean, I like that they have that's the Flatpak stuff. Okay, I mean, yeah, but if you have a browser, for example, if you use Brave, see the Flatpak thing is that you, with my experience, The KeyPassXC extension doesn't work on Flatpaks. It doesn't talk to your KeyPass. Let's see if KeyPass is also to the KeyPassXC thing. Okay, also Flatpaks. So there was a workaround. I will try that out, not with you guys now. Or maybe we just do this. So install that. Because usually it can't talk to each other. But they say if you have two Flatpaks, there is a way to work around. I'm not too sure yet. Let's have a look. Preparing. Well, that is a bit slow. That's a super fast desktop. And it just flashes the KeyPassXC. This is at least a few megabyte. Huh? That takes time. It's not that so easy. But GNOME is doing this very well. Together with Fedora. Is this for real? Do I have a... Can I have a terminal? Yeah. No? Okay. Oh, let's... I don't know. Is it still DNF? Dun, 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 dun. Of course, it seems to take time. It's not so easy. You know, KeyPass, that is a massive file that has at least, I don't know, 10, 20 megabytes, I guess. Huh? Sudo DNF. Htop. Does it work? Oh, don't report me to the administrator. Oh. Do you have to say install? Of course I know this. This is a channel from the Know-It-All. What is it doing there? RPM Fusion. Okay, it's reading repros. There, look at that. That's how quick that goes. Bow. Let's see if the terminal is faster. Alright then. And now we just go here and let's say we install Brave. That might take a while. We have seen it's not so easy. So... Oh, I can't minimize this. Why would you? Why would you want to minimize this? I mean... Is that... This is for real, isn't it? Why would you minimize the way... Oh! Hide. But you can't minimize, no? Can I find it then when I hide it? Yeah, okay, I can still find it. That is... I know this, of course. So, okay. Wow, I mean, look how much CPU it is using. I mean, it's definitely necessary. I don't know why, but it's definitely. Having said this, it could be also from the recording, isn't it? Because it's that's my my hardware. Okay, it's not. 2.27 gigabyte. It seems as more Windows you open, as less RAM you use. It reminds me on who has that Solid X, where you have no repros. Ipiti pow. They just have their data all there. So as you can see, that's not easy here. That's massive install too. Close. 2.712. So I have no database yet. Create database. Continue. Continue. Come on. Password. Done. Continue with weak password. Where did it go? Wo did my Datenbank go? Save database. Oh, save it. Okay, we save it in downloads. Okay, because we need this running in order to get Brave. Holy moly. Now that's like a rocket here. Okay. Settings. Let's have some settings here at least. Continue where left over. Where's appearance? Appearance. Show home button. Okay. But no bookmarks, no? Bookmarks all tabs. Always. There we go. You see? I know it all. Alright, then now here we go. See? Oh. Let's see if that works. Chrome Web Store. Doink. Okay. Add to Brave. Let's be brave here. Extension. Okay. So I wonder if they managed that reload. Oh. I never forget things. I just wanted to wait if somebody will figure this out. Brave new world. Click. Alright then, now we try again. Doesn't do it. So usual when you go here and you say reload, then keeper should show up with the window. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, you know, it's all nice. Cannot connect to KeyPass. Checks the browser integration is enabled. Yes, it is, but it doesn't matter. I even tried it with Seal Flat. That's where you can temper around. I couldn't make it work. So the answer is no. That's a small price to pay for having Flatpaks, right? Screw your... What's it called? Screw your your password manager. Screw it all. Nobody needs it really. As long as you can have Fedora, much better than Ubuntu, Debian, Arch. Forget about Arch or Gentoo and FreeBSD and GhostBSD. When you can have Fedora, that's the one you want. Then you can have Flatpaks. You don't have to always pick on the limitations. You know, you have to see the good on it. And combined with GNOME, absolute perfect. I mean, what makes me happy is no more worries if you have enough space or not. You just don't see it, and what you don't know don't care, right? Be ignorant. It's all good. Don't have to worry about a thing. The computer will tell you when it's full because it's just freezing. Oh dear me. Captions. Oh dear me. No. Yeah, great. You can say captions. That's important. So who needs to know how much space you have on your hard drive? Who cares? Oh, do they let you have? Departed? And don't tell me that's also a Flatpak. No, that's an RPM. Okay. At least that would have been something. Oh dear me. So yeah, there's hope. So some main programs seem to be still under control for Fedora. Yeah, Linux Mench. What happened, Mench? What? What did they threaten your family? Did they pay you out? What happened? It's the same another guy, you know, he came, oh yeah, Fedora's the new Ubuntu. In the meaning that everything will be Rust and 10 times the size. I don't know. Okay, so power off. Let's say a great experience. I'm really happy that Mensch showed how to do things here. Wonderful. Yeah, absolutely great. I mean, it's a must-have. It's really forget about anything else you have, as long as you have Fedora and GNOME together. This is an unbeatable team. Forget about Arch, forget about Gentoo, forget about Debian and Ubuntu too. I mean, yeah, meanwhile you can't forget Ubuntu. Ubuntu is dead, it's done. It's going full destruct. It's speedboat Titanic, and we just have to watch and see. Whoa, what else do we have? Yeah, and Mageia, just look at this. You have access to everything. That is so weird. You just click on it, you have it. You don't have to find keyboards and type around. And yeah, how cluttered that is. You just click on things and they're there. Well. All right. So, Linux Mench, thank you for introducing GNOME to us. I forgot on what base you have GNOME running. I can imagine it's maybe Ubuntu. It's maybe Ubuntu or Fedora. I don't know. Yeah, great. So I will now go and delete Mageia from here and get rid of D1 from my laptop and put Fedora GNOME on, and I will love it. And it's so great, and it was a great experience, I tell you that. It's yeah, I've seen how much I could get done there. Yeah. I don't know, honestly. I find OpenBox more elegant and practical than GNOME, and IceWM same, also fantastic, because IceWM and OpenBox are pretty close, in my opinion. And yeah, they're more elegant than GNOME thing. And I mean, look at here. I mean, how disgusting that is. You open this up and it tells you how much free space you have. It tells you how many folders, how many files. I mean, the file size even. It tells you everything and free space. That is so worrying. Now I'm so worried because I never know if I use the whole 270 gigabyte from here. And then look, browse network. That will not work here either. Oh, that has to do with the firewall, right? I think we had that before. Where is it? Control center. I think they had a firewall. Security or system? Set up your personal firewall. See, when I do this, everything, no firewall, no worries. This is just for demonstration. Usually you want to have a firewall. So here it is. Now I go again. Click. There it is. See, now I got all my disgusting network attached storages running around here, and I can see them and just click on them and have access. Yeah. So GNOME takes that away from you. That means you don't have to worry. It takes all the worries away. How much space do you have? Do not care. Network attached storage, don't take it. I can't use my KeyPass manager with Fedora. It's not a problem. Forget about your password stuff. Just have simple things and finished. Use password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because everybody thinks 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Yeah, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's totally safe. Yeah. And the 5 you can use as nobody would ever guess that, right? So, yeah. So, gotta get rid of this all. I have to get GNOME and GNOME and GNOME and. To be honest, I don't think I would run it for money. I mean, let's be honest. So if you pay me Saturday, Sunday too. So let's say if you pay me $200 to $300, something in that area per day, then I would put GNOME on a virtual machine somewhere and lock it up. Oh dear me! All right, so I call it a day. This is just honestly, I mean, glad Linux Mench, thumbs up. Great experience. I love it. I mean, just for the fun of it, I might just try to set it up, but I, I might not. I'm just saying that, so I don't think so. No. I mean, it's just that the whole desktop is useless to me. It's also the philosophy behind that all, and what that organization has become. Absolute intolerance. And yeah, no, let's not talk about it. Yeah, this was a bad experience. It was as good as my Ghost Beastie video. Yeah, Ghost Beastie, I tried to install it here on my hardware, the 25 version. Didn't want to do it either. I think that has to do because I have an APU and a GPU, both AMD, of course. So, just for the fun of it, I will install it. I have a little mini PC with an Intel graphic card. I will just install it there and see how that goes, right? And then we have a look, see how it goes. Alrighty, ready. So I load this up and, oh dear me, Linux Mench, you got to pay me for this. This is, I feel so dirty. My head is already, I don't know, dizzy. This is not for me. Maybe they use some witchcraft, honestly, I feel dizzy from that. That is, no thank you. I'm happy to be back in the normal desktop. Having said this, XFCE, I'm not happy with the steps they're taking. So I just look into other ones. So I like Cinnamon, for example. That's not bad. It's a little bit big, but easy to use. I must say easy to use, except the latest version. They have like this menu that goes like this. It takes 4/5 of your screen just to show you your categories and application. Just imagine this. That's nonsense. So the old menu is better, but you can still put the old one on. There have it. What else do I have? LXQT does it too. Then there is Mate. Mate is good too. Well, and then you have different desktop manager. So if you use OpenBox, you don't need anything. You just have a panel. The same with IceWM. And then it's good. Tin2, I think, is the panel they're using with IceWM. So that's good enough. It's all good. Yeah, I'm happy to be back in the normal desktop. Oh, that was a bad experience. Holy moly. Okay, I have to call it a night here. You can see it's 22:40. I can't change the time here, no, can I? Time only. Custom format. Oh, look at this. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah, that would be good. No, that's better then. Is there more? Well, that's okay. I think that will do. Alright, see, fixed it. I call it a night now, guys. So, yeah. I don't know. You let me know what you think about GNOME and Fedora. Yeah. I don't know. I have to see. Maybe, I mean, I have to separate the whole thing. I mean, GNOME I will not touch. This is just, no, absolutely not. It makes me a knot in my brain. I don't know, it makes me dizzy. So Fedora I can try it out, but then I will see what I can get. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, I call it a night, and I hope I will get better videos, because Ghost Beastie did not work. That was a nightmare. Now GNOME, it's a nightmare. Fedora, can't say much. All flat packs. See, the problem is, I mean, yeah, what I can do still is here LibreOffice, where I can get app images. That's at least an option. But then you really have to have your own stuff. You can't use Fedora if they only have Flatpaks. Snap, they have only Flatpaks. So, okay, have a good night, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.